Introducing the AZ Series, a complete motion family of products to meet your machine design needs of today and into the future. The AZ Series features absolute closed-loop feedback and supports a wide range of network field communications. The AZ Series family of products allows for one-axis design or offers enough motion options for a complete pick-and-place system. The AZ Series family of products is also robust enough for a complete automation robot, with all the specifications and performance calculations already made. Using the AZ Series provides you with guaranteed performance you can trust. Standardizing on the AZ Series drivers and family of motion products makes supporting your machine easy. Use the stored data drivers to reduce the programming burden from your host controller. The AZ Series is easy to set up and easy to program. There is no tuning required. The system runs open loop until an overload condition is detected. Then it switches automatically to closed loop control, guaranteeing your move is completed. Controlled with pulse commands, the AZ Series offers high response, resulting in no delay from command to response. This directly increases machine throughput and reduces cycle times. When comparing comparable size servo motors to the AZ Series, the AZ Series offers higher starting torque, ideal for quick moves, without the need to operate in the limited duty region common to servos, thus reducing heat and extending motor life. The Absolute Mechanical Sensor is a maintenance-free solution. It incorporated the sensor into each AZ Series motor. This sensor communicates directly to the AZ Series driver. No need for setup or tuning. Because the motor and driver communicate, additional sensors are not needed to verify motor position. The mechanical sensor has robust gears and works much like a clock. The sensor, gears, have points on each gear where their rotations are counted, thus keeping track of the motor shaft position. There is no need for an external power source, like a battery, to keep track and store this data. With the mechanical sensor communicating with the driver, the need for common home or limit switches can be eliminated. The mechanical sensor also offers high-speed return to home, improving downtime or system resetting if required. By using the built-in controller-type AZ Series driver, the motor can be restarted without returning to home. This is ideal for when motion is asked to be stopped for any reason and to avoid downtime with a rehoming routine. Because the Absolute feature does not require batteries, the AZ Series is maintenance-free. No need for field maintenance to replace the batteries over time or be concerned about any regulations concerning the environment. The AZ Series family of products offers a wide driver selection, available in AC input or DC input, along with many field bus communication protocols. The compact driver is ideal for robots, allowing the driver to be close to the motor, reducing wiring and saving space. The motor and gear options offer a wide range of sizes and performance options, from standard gearing to high-strength planetary or high-precision harmonic types. Save space with the right-angle type, or mount your load directly to the flange output type. By standardizing on the AZ Series driver technology, the entire family of motors, gears, and actuators is available. Because the AZ Series is simple to set up and operate, the AZ Series can help simplify your machine controls. Also, use our MEXE02 software for setup, monitoring, or other advantages. Learn more about this on our website. Advancing machine design has been made easier and more complete with the AZ Series family of products. Learn more about the guaranteed performance of the AZ Series and consider the many options and support available from your Oriental Motor technical team. We look forward to helping you on your next project.